Hello guys, it's Toby Jonah here. So PalmPay is currently giving Nigerians 22,000 naira, and all you have to do is sign up on the PalmPay app and invite your friends to join the app, and that's it. So normally I wouldn't believe this if I didn't already benefit from it. So this is my refer and earn history. I did not even take this serious, but let me show you my what I withdrew. So as you can see here, I've made 8,000 naira, 2,400, 5k, and all I did is invite people to join the app, okay, and they use your unique link or your referral code, and that is it. That's all I did to withdraw, to get this cash, and I withdrew it into my other account. All right, so this is legit, this is real. If it's not real, I wouldn't be bringing it here. Okay, so all you have to do is download the PalmPay app. Okay, download the PalmPay app. When you download the app, please use my referral code. When you download the app, they will ask you for invitation code. All right, so use this code here. This is my code, NPMB7249. Okay, so use this code. You can write this code out and use this code there. Now when you sign up on the app, they are going to give you a bonus. The bonus can be 100 naira or 200 naira. You have to use that bonus and recharge your line. Okay, when you recharge your line, that's when your task is completed. And then after you have done that, you come to where you have refer and earn. If you look at the screen here, you should see where you have refer and earn. You click on refer and earn, and then this is what you can do. If you click on invite now, there's invite now on this screen. If you click on invite now, they'll ask you to copy. They'll ask you that you want to copy the link or the message there. You can copy it and send to your friends. If two people sign up on PalmPay through your unique link or with your invitation code, you are going to get 4,000 naira. If 4 persons sign up, you'll get 6,000 naira. If 6 persons sign up, you get 10,000 naira. Okay, so you can use this method and make some quick cash. All right, but they have to sign up with your code and they have to recharge their phones with the bonus they will also get. That's when the task is complete. All right, so this is real. Look at my withdrawal history again. This is just quick cash. I did not believe it, but I just did this and it worked. I did not even take it seriously. That's why I've not done it ever since. All right, for the 22k, you have to look for where you have win big. Okay, you just scroll through these options here like this. As I'm scrolling now, you're going to see win big. Now this is win big. Grab 22,000 naira. Click on it. When you click on it, they will show you they will show you this, but your own code will be here this time around. You copy that code, send it to your friends. As they join, you are going to exhaust the number of persons required. I think 4 to 6 persons or 5 to 6 persons that are required, and they're going to give you 22,000 naira. So this is something you can just quickly do. Send it to your family members that are not on PalmPay. Send to your friends. Just get a few persons to sign up on the app and recharge their phones, and you get it. That's it. You're not depositing any money. This is very easy. So right now, go on PalmPay, go on your Apple Store or your Play Store, download PalmPay app, and when you are signing up, you will see where they ask you for invitation code. Use my code, recharge your line. Make sure you recharge your line, and then you too can refer and earn.